Mercedes-Benz is taking a bold step into the future of automotive manufacturing by testing Apollo, a humanoid robot from Apptronik. In its production process, unlike traditional industrial robots that are fixed in a place and designed for specific tasks, Apollo is mobile, adaptable, and built to work alongside human workers. This move marks a significant shift toward a more flexible and efficient assembly line where automation does not replace people but enhances their productivity. Apollo has been engineered to handle physically demanding and repetitive tasks, which can reduce worker fatigue and improve safety on the production floor. Mercedes Benz is currently experimenting with how the robot can assist in material handling, logistics, and assembling vehicle components. If the trial proves successful, Apollo could become a key player in the factory of the future, allowing employees to focus on more intricate, high value tasks while the robot takes care of the heavy lifting. What makes Apollo stand out is its ability to move freely and interact with different elements of the assembly process, making it far more versatile than traditional manufacturing robots. This kind of technology represents the next generation of smart factories, where artificial intelligence driven automation works hand in hand with skilled professionals to optimize production efficiency. Mercedes-Benz's decision to explore humanoid robotics showcases its commitment to innovation and maintaining its leadership in the automotive industry. While the implementation is still in its early stages, this could be a glimpse into how vehicles will be built in the future, faster, safer, and more intelligently than ever before. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the future of automotive technology.